Pokemon Master, and I am working on costumes for Hiccup and Astrid. So far I've made these, and Hiccup's vest. I'm making a documentary of making my costumes. So that's it so far. I still have to make Astrid's skirt. We already got the shirt and the Uggs and the shirt and pants. I also have string for this little vest or shirt and some string for her Astrid. Her little arm thingies. Yes, I'm making costumes for Anime Boston. I'm going to be wearing my Toothless costume that I made for Halloween last year. It was a very long time ago. I haven't posted any videos in a long time, but this is an update. So, I guess I'll show you the shirt and stuff that I have for Astrid. Okay. Just got a plain brown skirt to put under Astrid's skirt. And then just a plain green shirt. And my friend Kate, who also does this YouTube with me, is going to be Hiccup. And then our friend Katie is going to be Astrid. Both girls, I know. But it's more fun if you dress as them. Can't really find any guys that would dress up in kites. Okay, so yeah, I guess that's it. See ya.
Eyes open wide, blinded by the sun. Now orange and white and red, green and yellow, rainbow colors. Tonight I see the view. Stood beside, go through. I kiss the light, the storm blow